Hey there, future bankers. Welcome to another episode of our Practical Finance series. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw money from a bank teller in 2025. With advancements in technology, banking is more secure and efficient than ever, but the basics remain straightforward. Whether you're a newbie or just refreshing your skills, this guide will have you withdrawing cash like a pro in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, prepare before you go. In 2025, most banks require digital verification, so make sure your bank's app is updated on your smartphone. You'll need to log in, select the withdrawal option, and generate a quick QR code or biometric token. This adds an extra layer of security against fraud. Once you're ready, head to your nearest bank branch during operating hours, which are often extended with AI-assisted tellers. When you arrive, join the queue or use the self-check-in kiosks that scan your ID or face for faster service. When it's your turn, approach the teller with a friendly greeting. Clearly state your request, like, "I'd like to withdraw $200 from my savings account." The teller will verify your identity using advanced biometrics, such as fingerprint or retinal scans, which are standard now to prevent unauthorized access. Next, the teller will process your request on their secure terminal. You'll see a holographic display confirming the transaction details. Double-check everything to avoid errors. Once approved, the teller will hand over your cash, often in eco-friendly, traceable bills. Don't forget to grab your receipt, which is now a digital token sent straight to your phone for easy record keeping. A few quick tips. Always keep your transactions confidential. Be aware of your surroundings to spot any suspicious activity, and if you're withdrawing a large amount, consider using the bank's safe deposit options. In 2025, you can even link this to your smart wallet for seamless transfers. There you have it, simple, safe, and secure. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. What's your go-to banking hack? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.